या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला.
Tushara is a Sanskrit word, the meaning of which is a dew drop. Dew drop is the purest form of water available on the earth. Tushara High School is the brainchild of Tushara Educational Society. Tushara Educational Society was established in the year 1992 by a group of professionals and philanthropists with an aim to impart quality education in various fields of knowledge in tri-cities of Warangal, Hanmakunda and Kazipet. Tushara PG School of Information Science and Technology was established in the year 1993 and Tushara Degree College was established in the year 1998. Both the institutes are well known for the quality of education. Reinforcing its commitment to provide quality education, Tushara High School is established in the heart of the city of Hanmakunda. The school has about an acre land and a permanent buildings having more than 25,000 square feet of built-up space. The care of the children starts from the moment they step into our premises. There is always something happening at Tushara High School, something that every child looks forward to each day. Every day, the school begins with assembly proceedings, which provides a platform to discuss the events around the school, share thoughts and ideas, which gives scope for new learning. Students are encouraged and guided to conduct assembly proceedings. This process mitigates the fear of speaking on stage and inculcates the habit of speaking in English and learn GK, etc. Discipline and good behavior are inculcated through the day. This school is endowed with twin responsibilities of nurturing and nourishing the rising aspiration of the students and to impart effective quality education. The school is equipped to face the 21st century education challenges by continuously upgrading the technology and teaching skills of the teachers through regular refresher courses. The school is bountiful and basking in the glory of 100% digital classes, Wi-Fi campus, modern technologies to enhance the learning of student fraternity. The classroom is ergonomically designed space bubbling with life where young minds feel encouraged to explore, discover, get inspired and learn. All classrooms are air-conditioned, equipped with smart learning facilities and tools to make learning methods seamless and unlimited. The strength of the class is limited to 30 students. Furniture. Tushara views comfortable seating as an investment, not an expense. Comfortable furniture leads to less diversion in students' attention, increases concentration and enhances students' ability to sit for a longer duration. Curriculum. We have adopted ICSE pattern to make learning more interesting and funful for the students by unleashing their minds. We understand that early experiences can immediately influence learning. Thus, curriculum is forged to focus on knowledge that will help the student to be a step ahead in complex and challenging world. For primary school, our focus is on learning curve. A student will enjoy learning when he learns willingly. We create an environment where students will enjoy learning and our emphasis will be on overall intellectual, aesthetic, physical and cultural growth of the child. The students are taught to become more observant and confident in expressing their views and opinions. This curriculum will help the teacher to reach out to every student in the class and bring about complete involvement of the class. Practical activities in the classroom such as group projects, model making, role play, demonstration, experimentation, etc. provide our students with ample opportunities for thought, analysis, and action. We promote a dynamic learning environment that helps our young Tusharians to grow unrestrained. Tushara aims at preparing the child to face all competitive exams and groom all aspirants for IIT, medical, SAT, and other competitive exams. Without deviating from our core values of education, we are based on age-old precepts of education. We adopt multiple intelligence teaching approach to Howard Gardner to enable the student to meet challenges of the year ahead where the children grow up and enter adulthood. The teaching methodology is designed that there will be no slow learner. Planning and scheduling of subjects to the minutest level, keeping the learner and learning environment in mind, plays a significant role in reaching all the students. 70% of the time is allocated for curricular activities and 30% of the time is allocated for co-curricular activities along with foundation coaching for competitive exams like IIT, medical, SAT, Olympiad, etc. Guided study hours are conducted every day under the guidance of subject teachers, wherein the students are encouraged to revise the subjects completed during the class hour and clear any doubts. Assessment and evaluation. We follow the CCE system devised by ICSE. We gauge the student not only by mere fact that they memorize and reproduce what they learn, but also by the fact whether they can actually correlate and apply what is learned to the real life. As learning and evolution are continuous affair, the culture of calm for exam will be absent. As the learning and evolution are continuous affair, the culture of cram for exam will be absent. Every student's progress is assessed in 3 phases. Every period, the student is assessed on subjects such as listening, handwriting, completion of classroom and home tasks, behavior, etc. Weekly evaluation is done on aspects such as understanding of the subjects, spoken language, involvement in CCA tasks and activities. Periodic evaluation on the knowledge grasped in all subjects. To avoid intercomparison between the students, instead of awarding marks, grades are awarded on a 9-point scale. No ranks are awarded to the students. To motivate the students whose performance is outstanding, an award will be presented once in a year. Remedial coaching is undertaken for the students on need basis. The kids of kindergarten enjoy the playway, fun-filled activity-based learning. More emphasis is given on teaching etiquette, behavior, sharing and tolerance. Assessments are also carried out periodically to evaluate their learning skills. Competitive exams. Tushara High School has exposed its students for the first time to the competitive exams by making the students participate in National Olympiad exams and achieved a result which none of the schools in Warangal have achieved till now. In 18th National Science Olympiad, 3 of our students, M. Apurva Reddy, Ashrita Reddy, P. Yashita of class 5th have secured state 4th national rank. Our result in the National Science Olympiad is as follows. 11 members have secured gold medal of excellence along with certificate of excellence. 9 members have secured school gold medal along with participation certificate. 2 members have secured school silver medal along with participation certificate. 2 members have received school bronze medal along with participation certificate. In 9th International Math Olympiad, our student V. Anupama Reddy has secured state 4th rank. Sri Datri secured 10th rank. Syed Riha, Rutvika and Naitik Agarwal have secured state 11th rank. Our result in the International Math Olympiad is as follows. 3 members have secured a gold medal of excellence along with gifts of rupees 1000. 1 member has secured a gift worth of rupees 1000, a zonal gold medal and a merit certificate. 4 members have secured gold medal of excellence along with certificate of excellence. 5 members have secured school gold medal and participation certificate. 2 members have secured school silver medal along with participation certificate. 22 members from the school have secured school bronze medal along with participation certificate. In all, 53 ranks have been secured by our school student in the Olympiad exam. Computer Center is equipped with latest computer systems, all networked to common file servers and connected to the outside world through the internet. Our students have unlimited access to computers and professional software tools that go with them. The system and the available software peak to sharpen analytical skills, encourage creativity and innovation, so significant in modern day education. Science Lab. Since late 19th century, science educators have believed that laboratory is an important means of instruction in science. Our students spend time in the labs actively experiencing science rather than passively having it demonstrated to them by our teachers. Library. The Tushara DG School Library is one of the most popular hangout zones in the campus. Spacious, well lit, the ambience in the library is at once stimulating and relaxing. The well stocked shelves with all contemporary books invite the reader to explore, while the reading areas provide the necessary ambience and privacy for silent study. Reference books, encyclopedia, biographies, and a treasure trove of fiction and non-fiction bestsellers and almanacs make up the collection. The students are encouraged to read and provide book reviews for the display boards to excite. Extracurricular activities. Intra and inter-school competitions in sports and academic and cultural arenas also form an integral part of the school routine. Physical education and games are the part of the core curriculum for all classes. The host of co-curricular activities have been organized during the year. We had regular classes which included music and dance classes, incorporate the appreciation towards fine arts in young minds. Moral education aims at creating responsible citizens for the nation and to help develop the spirit of brotherhood and respect towards parents and elders. Weekly quiz programs has been a special feature in our educational activities. Knowledge of computers for students from first grade. Our students participate in creative contests like lemon and spoon, throw ball, fancy dress, essay writing, recitation, origami, picture quiz, greeting card presentation, quiz, crayon drawing, impact 1-minute talent show, painting. The contests such as item talk, storytelling, essay writing, spell bee, creative writing, elocution, calligraphy were conducted focusing on various aspects of English language and teamwork. To ensure all-round development, the school hosted a number of competitions to bring out the latest talent. This year, our kindergartners participated in crawling race, clay modeling, picture quiz, treasure hunt, crayon drawing, memory game, fancy dress, musical chairs, item talk and storytelling contest to improve their communication skills. Celebrations at our school. The life is a celebration of awakeness, of new beginnings and wonderful surprises that enlighten the soul. We keep up the secular spirit of our country through celebrations of various religious and national festivals. The aura of patriotism spreads among the students during these celebrations. In Tushara, the blue-colored day has been celebrated to show the significance of color, whereas the fruit day was celebrated to show the importance of fruits in our life. The message of peace, unity, harmony, justice, humanity and equality has been spread by celebrating Eid ul-Fitr, whereas the love among friends was shown by celebrating Friendship Day. The love for our nation was shown by celebrating Independence Day and Republic Day. The relation of love and respect between the teachers and students was shown by celebrating Teachers' Day and Children's Day. To enhance the importance and love for Lord Krishna and Ganesha, the eve of Janmashtami and Vinayaka Chaturthi was celebrated as a message of worshipping clay Ganesha, that is, eco-friendly Ganesha was celebrated by making clay Ganeshas at Tushara. The birth of Jesus Christ was celebrated on the eve of Christmas. Our students have welcomed the new year by cutting a cake, bursting crackers, and eve of Makar Sankranti was celebrated by laying colorful rangoli. Educational field trip. Learning at Tushara High School is not restricted to classrooms alone. All students from nursery to grade 6 are taken on educational and entertainment field trips. Field trips are a great way to bring excitement and adventure to learning. The focus is on introducing of new skills and concepts to kids, reinforcing ongoing lessons and leveraging learning potentials. They learn to socialize and learn from nature. Transport. Keeping the safety and comfort of the children in view, Tushara is organizing buses which have comfortable seating. All buses are as per the norms set up by the government. Trained drivers and helpers are appointed for safe transport of the children. The faculty are trained to teach the children by understanding them, which enables every child to sharpen their intelligence.
ఎక్కడ పోయినా చదువు చెప్తున్నారు, కానీ నేను చూసిన ఈ 15-20 సంవత్సరాల చరిత్ర లోపల మేము నేర్చుకున్నాం, మాతో పాటు చాలా మందికి నేర్పిన ఘనత ఓన్లీ తుషారా విద్యా సంస్థలకు మాత్రమే చెందుతున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే నైతిక విలువలు, సంస్కృతి, సంప్రదాయాలకు ఒక అడ్డ ఇది ఒక ఆధ్యాత్మిక కేంద్రంగా నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. ఇది డిజీ స్కూల్ అనేది పిల్లల ఆధ్యాత్మిక కేంద్రం. పిల్లలకు మనం కనుక సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయాలు సరిగ్గా నేర్పనట్లయితే రాబోయే రోజుల లోపల ఈ బాలలందరూ మనం అందరం ఏ అణుబాంబులో ఆటం బాంబుల వల్ల మరణించాం. నైతిక విలువలు పతనం వల్ల మాత్రమే మరణించాల్సి వస్తుంది. అవి ఇక్కడ నేర్తారు నైతిక విలువలని. ఆ లగేజ్ వేసుకొని లారీ నిండా వెళ్తుంటే అందులో బీరువాలు, పెద్ద పెద్ద ఐటమ్స్ బాగా హైట్ అయిపోయినాక ఒక స్టేజ్ పైన మనకు ఆర్చ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆర్చ్ తగిలి రోడ్ పైన ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ అవుతుంది. ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ అయినప్పుడు చాలా మంది స్కూల్ పిల్లలు ఉంటారు, అందరు ఉంటారు, అటు ఇటు ఒక 3-4 అవర్స్ ఆగిపోతుంది. ఒక చిన్న కుర్రాడు 4th క్లాస్ వచ్చి అంకుల్ నేను ఒక ఐడియా ఇవ్వాలా అని అడుగుతారు. బహుశా అంత విజ్డమ్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక మహానుభావులు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎంబోడిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ సరస్వతి మాత ప్రత్యక్షంగా ఇక్కడ కదలాడుతుందేమో అని నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది. అక్కడ ఒక ట్యాగ్ పెట్టారు, ఎంజాయ్ లెర్నింగ్ అని. ఇక్కడ నేను వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి కూడా ఏదో ఒకటి నేర్చుకునేటువంటి ఒక ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఆ పిల్లల్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఒక సృజనాత్మకమైనటువంటి ఒక శక్తి, ఆ పిల్లల కళ్ళల్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఒక తేజస్సు, ఆ పిల్లల కళ్ళల్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఒక అమాయకత్వం, ఆ పిల్లల కళ్ళల్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఒక వర్చస్సు నాకు మళ్ళీ ఒక సంవత్సరానికి సరిపడా ఇక్కడ ఎట్లయితే ఆక్సిజన్ తీసుకుంటే బాగా మనకు అనిపిస్తుందో అట్లాంటి ఒక ఆక్సిజన్ తీసుకొని ఈ ప్రాంగణం నుంచి వెళ్ళడానికి నేను ప్రయత్నం చేస్తానని చెప్పేసి చెప్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఇట్లాంటి ఒక అకాడమిక్ పర్సనాలిటీస్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, ఇట్లాంటి ఒక ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టంలోకి వస్తే సమాజం బాగుపడుతుంది, పట్టణాలు బాగుపడతాయి, దేశం కూడా బాగుపడుతుంది. మొన్న వచ్చినప్పుడు వారు ఒక మాట అన్నారు, ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు నేను ఎంటెక్ చేశాను, ఎంబీఏ చేశాను, కానీ చిన్న పిల్లల స్కూల్ పెట్టిన తర్వాత చిన్న పిల్లల్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఒక సృజనాత్మకమైనటువంటి ఒక శక్తిని చూస్తూ నేను చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాను అన్నాడు. దట్ షోస్ హిజ్ ఆ ట్యాగ్కి నిజంగా ఎంజాయ్ లెర్నింగ్ అనేటువంటి దానికి వారు ఇచ్చినటువంటి యొక్క సరి అయినటువంటి ఒక నిర్వచనం. కాబట్టి ఇట్లాంటి చక్కటి సరస్వతి ప్రాంగణంలో, సరస్వతి నిలయంలో మీ విద్యార్థుల్ని ఇక్కడ చేర్చినందుకు మీ అందరికీ కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి శుభాభినందనలు తెలుపుకుంటూ,
It is a privilege for me to share on this occasion because it may be a second annual day, but it is a colorful and experienced programs prepared because the welcome song has given a wonderful outcome, which I can say how much strain they might have taken by the teachers as well as parents. Secondly, the report given by the principal is excellent. I don't know how many parents have observed very closely, but every area which the school has to take care has touched up. Secondly, the activities taken in the school is base level to the competitive level. The competitions conducted at state and national, international is a countable one. Management, basically, they need to have a good vision. So here, Ramesh Babu really is a very good visionary. Usually for a purpose of having a school, 1,000 yards are sufficient. But you might have seen that 3,000 plus, 3,000, closely 3,000 yards are available to the disposal of the students. So it is the privilege for parent and even student, including the faculty, that how best they can use it. St. Peter Group, almost 80-90% of the constructions guided by Ramesh Babu Garu only, right from the inception, which we can, St. Peter's cannot forget. But if he would be commercial, certainly, as Prakash Garu rightly said, would have earned a lot. But now we are in the bad days. I don't say the days, but the private school means we have a wrong notion of the general society, but we started our institutions not only for that. The institutions which gives the quality education, the competitive education, competency education, as well as the students will be molded, shaped as per the challenges of the country and the globe. But here, in the report, principal report, it is very clearly mentioned that what is a formative assessment, what is a summative assessment, and each formative assessment is how it is bifurcated to award the child's performance, assess the child's performance. Principal garu kuda rare quality of the principal. అంటే నేను ఎక్కువ చెప్తే ప్రిన్సిపల్ వీరు పొగడటానికి వచ్చారు నారాయణ రెడ్డి గారు అనేటువంటి ఆలోచన మీకు ఉంటుంది. నాకు అంటే నేను బికాజ్ యాజ్ అ పేరెంట్గా నేను ఆలోచించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. వారికి టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్ను ప్రిపేర్ చేయడమే కాకుండా కరికులం ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ను కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయగలిగినటువంటి కెపాసిటీ ఉన్న వ్యక్తి ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్కి రావడం అనేది చాలామందికి, మాకు బిఎడ్లో డిఎడ్లో చేసే వాళ్ళు కూడా వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ కరికులం, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సిలబస్ అండ్ కరికులం అంటే సిలబస్ కరికులం రెండు ఒకటే కదా సార్ అంటారు. బస్ మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిన విషయమే, రెండు ఒకటి కాదని. కానీ చాలామందికి అది తెలియక రెండు ఒకటే సార్ అంటారు. కాబట్టి ఇట్లాంటి డిఫరెన్స్ తెలియకున్నటువంటి ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్లో టీచర్స్, ప్రిన్సిపల్, మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉంటే పిల్లవాడికి ఎంత వస్తుందో మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ అలా కాకుండా ఇక్కడ కరికులం అంటే ఏంటిదో ఆ కరికులంలో అవుట్డోర్ ఆర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది బాక్స్ అండ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద బాక్స్ అండ్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అండ్ లింకింగ్ బిట్వీన్ ది అవుట్ సైడ్ అండ్ ఇన్సైడ్ చేసేటువంటి కరికులం